Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 113 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out another LA Colors Conceal and Correct color corrector. So this one has me a little bit confused because this is just in the shade highlighter, so it looks white, but it claims to illuminate features. And it says that you apply it under your foundation to create a perfectly even complexion and brighten natural features. So I'm thinking I'll try this out in a few different ways. I'll try it under my makeup, on top of my makeup like a normal highlighter, maybe like under my eyes to try and brighten. We'll just try it out and see what we can do with it. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. LA Colors is a cruelty-free brand. I've tried so much LA Colors on my channel so far and I really love this brand. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this on my hand. I'm very curious how it looks. So it's just white, like looks like liquid white. But when the light hits it, it does reflect in a highlighting way. I have no makeup on my face right now. I'm going to go ahead and apply this where I would normally put highlighter, like under my eyes and the center of my face. Okay, so it is looking bright, like it's kind of looking silver now that I have it on my skin. It dried down pretty quickly, so I'm kind of having a hard time blending it. Wow, that is looking so glowy. I'm very interested to see how it looks with my foundation on top. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. I chose this foundation because it doesn't have glow to it, so we'll really be able to see how this illuminating concealer looks underneath it. This is also one of my go-to foundations, so I'm very familiar with how my skin looks normally with this on, so I'll be able to tell if there's a difference with the illuminator. Okay, my foundation is applied and I can absolutely tell the difference where I have the highlighter on. It really does kind of have that glow and brightness and sheen from underneath. You can especially tell on my under eyes, down here, on my nose. I'm loving how this looks under my foundation. As far as texture goes, it doesn't look like there's anything under my foundation. It looks like it went on so smooth and natural. It's just really the color difference and the brightness. Since this did show up kind of silver, I'm not actually going to go in and put it completely under my eyes like I would a Tarte Shape Tape concealer, but I'm going to go ahead and use it as a highlighter on top of my foundation to see how that looks. Wow, does my skin look glowy? I feel like this looks so nice. It's really comparable to the MAC strobe cream that I really liked, but this is only $1 and it does basically the exact same thing. It's very easy to blend on top of makeup. It didn't cause my foundation to move at all, and it does just add some sort of glow to the skin. It doesn't look super sparkly or shiny. It just makes the skin look like it's kind of glowing and reflective, but slightly reflective. Let's see if we can build this up to a more blinding highlight. That did build up, and it definitely does glow white, kind of that silver bluey pink. cool toned glow. Gosh, I love how this looks on the skin. I would absolutely wear this as a highlighter to add glow when I want kind of a subtle dewy look to my skin. I honestly did not expect to like this product as much as I do. I thought it would just be kind of a bland white, but the sheen is so nice. If you've been looking for an illuminator or a way to get glow to your skin, I highly recommend this LA Colors Conceal Correct in the shade Highlight. If you have any favorite illuminators, let me know in the comments down below and maybe I can try them out, see how they compare to this LA Colors illuminator, which is only $1. I am definitely considering day 113 of trying a new makeup product every day a success. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.